Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of initial coin offering ISO website. So by using this script you can create your own initial coin offering website and you can sell your token to different people and you can earn a lot of money by making this kind of site. So as you can see that this is the IcoLab latest version script, and by using this script you can create your own initial coin token selling website. So here you can see the amazing look of this website, how amazing it is. In this video I will completely guide you about this script. I will give you a demo of this website, its user panel, its admin panel, and the most important and the most amazing thing is we will install this script on our hosting, and I will show you how you can install this website. So if you need this source code, you can contact us on WhatsApp. You can buy this code from us on a very low price from market. And if you need the complete end-to-end website, we will build this complete end-to-end website for you. So now let's start this video without wasting much more time. And now let me show you clear you that I will demonstrate each and everything on demo. So here you can see this is a demo version. And now here you can see that I've installed this on my subdomain, so you can see it on my domain as well. So this is on my domain, you can see installed on my domain. So this is currently newly created website, that's why I'm using demo to demonstrate each and everything. So this is on my domain, so you can see this is completely newly created website. And now we will install this script again, and I will show you how we can install it. So now let's open the demo and let's demonstrate it. So as you can see the amazing look of this website, you can change this logo from admin panel. Each and everything is changeable from admin. So here you can see the about us section, you can write it from admin panel. Here is IcoLab roadmap, so you can set these things, each and everything from admin panel. About section, you can change images, whatever you want to change you can change it. Here you can see the ISO calendars, a different coin selling is here. So basically you can sell your tokens to different people. And here you can list your team member pictures over here. This is client testimonial section, frequently asked question section. You can insert blogs on your website, and this is the footer section. So now if you want to change the language of website, you can insert any language on your website. Here is a blog section, so you can visit these pages separately. So users can visit these pages separately as well. This is a white paper section, so you can download the PDF related to this. And here is contact us page, so you can list your details to contact. Now let's log in with our account. So we already have an account, so we will directly log in with our existing account. But if user don't have an account, user can directly register on this website. So this is how user can register, by filling the simple details. Now we already have an account, so we are not gonna register again. So I'm register with login with my existing details over here. Just fill the reCAPTCHA, click on login. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our dashboard of user, and this is completely mobile responsive. Mobile users can also easily use this website. Here you can see different stage of token. This is a 5th stage. User can buy this token from here. This is offering auction 1 DRC is dark coin offering. And here you can see your balance, total coin base, total transactions, total deposit, total withdrawals. And from here you can buy the tokens, and here you can see your referral link. You can also earn money by referring different people. So you can also earn tokens by referring. So here by clicking buy token, so here you can buy this token by you can fill the quantity you want to buy. Just click on buy now and you can buy this token. And here you can see all the amount of in USD and DRC amount over here. So you can buy this token from here. Similarly, here is the option to deposit money. Just click on deposit now, and you can see there are many automatic payment gateways, and all worldwide accepted gateways are here. By using them, user can deposit money on this website. Here is withdraw, same case as withdraw. User can use different gateways to withdraw money. Here user can see all its coin history over here. So currently our account is newly created, so there's no coin history. Here's auction option. So here you can see all the offering auctions over here. You can buy this auctions from here, and you can also create your own auction from here. So you can see purchase history, each and everything over here. Here is support ticket option. You can create your ticket and admin will answer your ticket. Here is account settings, so you can manage your account settings from this section. You can see commission logs, referred user, transactions, change password, 2FA, and logout option. So now I'm gonna log out because we will log into admin panel of this website, and I will also show you how you can create and manage this website from admin panel. So I will open the admin over here. So all the details are entered. Just click on reCAPTCHA, and when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, this is the amazing admin panel of this website, from where you can completely control this website. And user can see total users, active users, total deposits, total pending deposits, deposit charges, total withdrawals on the website. Each and everything will be in front of user. User can see them. And here user can see all his total coin TRX amount, upcoming phases, sold dark coin, and different graphs related to investments. So now here you can go to manage ISO, and you can create your manage ISO phases from here. So we are in 5th phase, 4 phases are completed, and now 2517 DRC is 5th phase. Now sorry for that. So now if you want to create your 3rd phase, just click on add new, and here you can start your 3rd phase and coin amount and price you want to sell it. You can create it from here. Here's white paper option. Here are the user options, so you can see all the users on your website, and you can view their details as well. So just go to details, and you can view all their details. You can log in as user, whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. And you can see all user led activities over here. This is a payment gateway option, so let's go to automatic gateways. So there are 25 plus automatic gateways that are worldwide accepted. All are available. You just have to click on edit, and you just have to fill these details, and you are good to go, and you can easily use this gateway. Now if you want to create any of your local gateway, just click on add new, and by filling these simple details, you can create your own local gateway. So this is how you can use gateways. This is deposit request, so you can approve or reject the deposit requests of users from here. So just go to details, and you can approve or reject these requests. Same is the case with withdrawals. You can create withdrawal methods from here. Just go to add new, and you can create any withdrawal method you want to create. Fill these details, and you can create withdrawal method. You can approve or reject withdrawal requests of users. And here is support ticket option. You can answer the tickets of user from here. This is a report option. You can see all the coin history, auction history, transaction log, login history, notification history from here. This is a general setting. So if you want to change the name of website, you can use change this name from here. Just type the name of your own business, and you can change the name. If you want to change the currency, you can change the currency from USD to any of your local currency symbol. And here you can change the coin name that you are offering, so you can insert any coin name you want to offer, coin symbol and time zone, and you can also change the base colors of your website. Here is system configuration. You can turn on off different settings of your website from here: auction permissions, withdrawal permissions, referrals, mobile verification, email verifications. Each and everything is controllable from here. These are the referral settings, so you can set up different levels of referrals for deposit over here. And this is how you can set up different levels of referral. This is a fair logo and favicon, so you can change the logo of this website from here. You can insert external extensions from here. You can insert the language. You can manage the SEO. You can manage the KYC. So you can manage the notifications of this website. You can manage the template. Here are the pages. You can manage them. Here you can completely edit each and every section that is on website. For example, I want to edit the banner section. Just click on it, and you can easily manage this section. You can change the image, you can change the text, whatever is on this section you can change it. Similarly, you can change any of the sections that are on your website, and the site is completely controllable and changeable. So viewers, now this is the complete overview of this ISO website. By using this script, you can create your own ISO website. So now we will install this script on our hosting. So now let's go to our hosting and let's see how we can install it. So viewers, first of all, to install the script, you must have to log into respective hPanel or cPanel that you are using. So I will install it on my hosting hPanel, but if you are using cPanel, the installation process will remain the same. So now let's install this ISO website script. So first of all, go to File Manager. Here you have to click on public HTML and I will install it on my subdomain. So this is my subdomain. As you can see that I've already uploaded the latest version of ICO Lab Script. So now you have to upload the script from here file that I gave you, and after uploading this file it will be appeared same like this, and here you have to extract this file. So I'm extracting these files over here in my root directory of public HTML. So here after this you have to copy all these, but first of all, before copying you have to give the permissions to some folders. So I am giving the permissions to these folders. So it's very simple to install the scripts. It's completely easy. There's no such complex thing over here, and you just have to install it simply like this. Even if you don't have any knowledge about coding or IT websites, you can easily install this. So just give these permissions. So one more remaining, and this is the one. So after giving these permissions, now we will move all these files to our root directories. So now just go back again, and here move all the files to your root directory. So I'm moving all of them to my root directory. So files are moved successfully. Now delete this script from this section. So now viewers, go to your domain. So as I told you, I will install it on my domain demo.scriptsmasher.com. So here you can see that our installer window has appeared successfully, and here you can see that valid license by Script Smasher. So you will get a complete license for this script. Now here just click on I agree, next step. All the requirements are satisfied. Here just click on next step, and now we have to create the database, and we have to put all the details over here. So now I'm going to hosting hPanel again, and here I will create the database for this website. So just create the database with name ISO. So I will create the database with name ISO here. Give the password. Just click on create, and we'll just copy this link from here, just paste it over there in these fields, and just type your host name, which is localhost, and web@sparrow123 is our password, into your admin username, admin password, and admin address. So just click on install now. So here you can see that our script has installed successfully, and you can see everything over here. Now just click on go to website and activate, and it will create your website. So here you can see that our website has created successfully. So sorry for this, and just you can see our website is live and ready to go. So now let's open the admin panel of this website. So let me just open the admin panel of this website, and here you can open the admin panel and just click on login. So you can see our newly created website is live, and you can see the admin panel is completely new. Each and everything is here in front of you. Here you can manage ISOs, you can insert ISO, you can insert your own coins from here. So this is how you can completely manage this website. You can install this script, and from here you can insert your own coin. So viewers, now if you want to buy this source code from us, to contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in the description. You can contact us. If you need any type of website, just contact us and we will build that site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.